if you're ever getting any issues with the screen, so Android Auto or Apple CarPlay aren't working, factory navigation's not working, the screen's turned off and it's just not turning back on again, you can reset the screen. So you can do a soft reboot. All you're going to do is push and hold the volume button and the right seek button there for about 5 to 10 seconds. So you're just going to press and hold. These things are going to go nuts, but just wait a second there. And there you go. So the screen's rebooted itself essentially. So it's a soft reboot. It's going to replay the little welcome screen message there. And then it's going to take a second to re-index everything. And then you're set to go. So if you ever, like I said, run into any issues with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, if the navigation's not working properly, it's giving you funky messages, push and hold volume and the right seek button for a few seconds, like 5 to 10, in order to reset the screen out. It's going to go crazy for a second, reset to 0. There we go. And we are good to go. There we go. So that's how you reset the screen. Oh, is this just going to keep on going wild? Go. All right, so you are fully set to go there. The screen has been reset.